So my name is Louis Bezich, and I have the honor and the privilege of providing senior leadership support to Cooper's military programs. And it's great to see you here this afternoon. We're really getting into rhythm with our fall and spring programs, and we couldn't be prouder of the turnout here today. It all starts with the leadership and the commitment of the board and the senior administration to our military affairs program. You'll hear in a little bit from one of our co-presidents, soon to be co-CEO, Dr. Anthony Mazzarelli. But between him, Kevin O'Dowd, and the entire board leadership, Chairman Norcross and the entire board, they are so committed to the military events. We were with them this morning sharing the good news of our selection this year for the Military Person of the Year. They really embrace the concept, and that's where any successful program starts, is with support from the top. So be assured that your organization is very much in support of what goes on in military affairs. With that said, it is now my pleasure to introduce our keynote speaker here today. Dr. Lisa Howell is a physician and a New Jersey Army National Guard veteran of Iraq and Afghanistan, and is the Assistant Commissioner for Operations, serving in the position of Deputy Adjutant General for the state of New Jersey. She is the principal advisor to the Adjutant General on all matters concerning military readiness, mobilization, homeland security, defense support to civil authorities, human resources, logistics, training, and financial management. She's got it.
One of the reasons I believe America is the greatest nation on earth is because we never forget those who gave their lives for this country. Paying tribute to these special Americans is a practice that began on May 30th, 1868, as our nation struggled to heal from a civil war that divided families, loyalties, and nearly destroyed the United States itself. That first Memorial Day was called Decoration Day. On that day, General John Logan, the commander of the Grand Army of the Republic, called for every American to decorate the graves of the fallen, whose bodies, as he put it, quote, now lie in almost every city, village, and hamlet churchyard in the land. He went on to say, we should guard our graves with sacred vigilance. Let no neglect, no ravages of time testify to the present or to the coming generations that we have forgotten as a people the cost of a free and undivided republic. America became what it is today, a beacon admired around the world because of its people's willingness to defend its freedom. And the stature America now enjoys in this world was paved by the sacrifices of young men and women who gave their lives in battles from Bastogne to Baghdad. Memorial Day is a time we honor these Americans, and we do that in many ways. We do it by attending ceremonies like this. We do it by visiting special places right here in New Jersey that are dedicated to the memory of the fallen. Cooper's collaboration with the Department of Defense to not only train elite military medical teams from every branch of service, but also to host the nation's first U.S. Army resuscitation forward surgical team. It's a testament to their dedication to this country and their desire to integrate the civilian and military trauma systems to ensure that the best coordinated care is provided in an expeditious fashion to improve the quality and quantity of life for our most precious national resource, our veterans.
So I have the fun part. Good morning, everyone. So it's great to be here on behalf of my co-president, Kevin O'Dowd, and the Board of Trustees and the rest of the senior team to welcome all of you to Cooper University Healthcare today. I have the honor of presenting the 2019 Cooper Military Employee of the Year Award. Last year, we established this award to recognize the outstanding contributions of a Cooper staff member that have contributions they've made to the health system, to Cooper, to the nation, and to the community. And all doing all of that while at the same time upholding our mission to serve, to heal, and to educate. So last year, I had the same honor. So I got to give this award to our first recipient, Dr. John Chavanis. And I get to do the same this year. So our winner this year is Ella Hawk, and she's an advanced practice nurse and a member of our thoracic surgery team. But let me tell you a few facts and a few things about Ella Hawk. So before we give her the award, I want to talk about her a little bit. So she's been a member and employee here of our community and a member of Cooper since 2010. She's been a member of the United States Navy Reserve since 2013. As a Navy nurse, she served at Walter Reed Medical Center as a critical care nurse during a critical nursing shortage in 2014. helped to build the Field Operational Hospital at Fort McCoy, located in Wisconsin, and became the division officer of its medical ICU in 2017. And for that work, she received the Host Battalion Coin for outstanding service.
I am sincerely honored, humbled, and grateful to be the recipient of such an esteemed award, the Military Person of the Year. I truly love what I do. I enjoy being of service to my country and my fellow man. But I stand before you because of the amazing group of people with whom I have the deepest respect and privilege of working with. They too embody the Navy's core values of honor, doing what is hard because you know it's right, courage, standing on the front lines every day fighting for patients entrusted in our care, commitment, committed to excellence in caring for others. I would like to sincerely thank the board members of Cooper University Hospital and all of those who have nominated me. It's truly touched me. As a Navy officer, we are taught to always be ready, to be that global force for good. No man or woman is left behind. Each one teach one, and most importantly, not for self, but for country.